Good morning. Welcome to Yoga for All Age Groups. Today we are going to discuss on a beautiful topic which everybody would have faced in their lifetime, that is back pain. सभी ने इस प्रॉब्लम को फेस किया है, एक बच्चे से लेके एक बूढ़े तक, कहीं ना कहीं कभी ना कभी we have been facing this problem. Okay, you would have find a kid carrying a heavy load of bag daily and it helps to incorrect his posture. आपका पोस्चर ही गड़बड़ हो जाता है when heavy load of bag they are carrying. Also with ladies, with gents, also ladies are working for prolonged time in the kitchen. Kitchen में काम करते 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 they are not taking break in between and also they are able to increase the back pain. बढ़ जाता है उनका, so they need to take break in between. Office going people also sitting for a prolonged time also helps in increasing the back pain. Even you would find in the old age also, old age problem in the lifestyle, they have adopted the wrong posture, then definitely in the old age it always increases the back pain problem. Okay, तो back pain एक तो हमारा सबसे बेस्ट ये है कि सबसे ज्यादा जो हमारा बैक पेन होता है वो हमारा सबसे पहले 90% बैड पोस्चर से होता है. इफ वी आर करेक्टिंग दैट बैड पोस्चर देन हमारा ऑटोमेटिकली हाफ ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाती है. सेकेंड, समटाइम वी स्ट्रेन अवर बैक. हम अपनी बैक को स्ट्रेन इतना कर देते हैं कि कभी कुछ उठा लिया, हैवी थिंग विच वी हैड लिफ्टेड एंड विदाउट बीइंग एक्नॉलेजिंग ऑफ द पोस्चर हाउ टू लिफ्ट दैट थिंग. Okay, sometimes we get because of that also. Sometimes because of the clinical issues. Clinical issues means जैसे कि आपको हेल्थ इश्यूज हो गई, आपको गैप आ गया आपके लुम्बर रीजन में, स्लिप डिस्क प्रॉब्लम हो गई, स्लिप नर्व सप्रेस हो गई. So many issues are there with our spine region. Okay, so because of that also our back problem is there. So it is not the solution कि हम बैक पेन के लिए टैबलेट्स लें और उसको खाते रहें and just try to suppress our pain. So with exercises only we are able to get out of the problem. तो पहला तो हमारा एक्सरसाइजिंग हो गया, फूड भी हो गया, हम कौन सा खाना खाते हैं. वात प्रवृत्ति का ही होता है, जब वात बढ़ जाता है तब भी हमारा बैक पेन होता है, वो भी रीजन होता है. Then you need to do oiling for the back pain. मीन थोड़ा सा ऑयल लीजिए और आप बैक पे लगाए. ऑयलिंग डजंट मीन कि जोर जोर से यू डोंट हैव टू सप्रेस दैट पर्टिकुलर एरिया. लिटिल ऑयलिंग यू विल डू विथ योर लाइट फिंगर्स. देन कम्स दी एक्यूप्रेशर. एक्यूप्रेशर पॉइंट्स भी अगर आप रेगुलर बेसिस पे करेंगे देन ऑल्सो इट विल हेल्प टू गेट आउट ऑफ द प्रॉब्लम. सो वेन यू आर हैविंग बैक प्रॉब्लम यू नीड टू डू all these things together to get out of the back pain problem. The first technique which I am going to tell you is a very simple technique. That is, what you have to do, you have to squeeze the navel muscles and then release. Again squeeze the navel muscle, then release. When we are squeezing the navel muscles in, you will feel that your back muscles are also working simultaneously. So this helps to strengthen your back. आपकी back muscles भी strengthen हो रही हैं और ये आप जब रोज करने लगेंगे then you will find that you are not having the problem again and again. वापस से बार बार नहीं आ रही है. Okay, and also second technique which I am going to tell you is the Markat Asan. Okay, so with 4 variations I will be telling you. So that only asan, अगर आप सिर्फ वही आसन भी अगर रोज करते हैं then also it will help you benefiting your back pain problem. Okay, so you can do on lying on bed. अगर आपके पास टाइम नहीं है कि आप निकाल पा रहे हैं तो आप बेड पर बैठे बैठे लेटे लेटे ही आप इस आसन को, मरकट आसन को कर सकते हैं. Okay, so let's learn how to do Markat Asan. Markat Asan. So just spread both the hands straight in the shoulder length, body in T formation. So we are doing variations of Markat Asan. 4 variations I am going to tell you. So bend both the legs from the knee and hands spread in the T formation. Knees together. Now what you have to do? Breathe in center and as exhaling moving the knee towards the left side and head on the right side. This is variation 1. Shoulder should be fully grounded. Don't lift your shoulders. Then again come back. Breathe in and breathe out to the right side. Knees towards the right and head on the left side. And again come back. So this was variation 1. Now variation 2. Taking out the legs outside the mat and again hands in the shoulder length only and just moving the knee towards the left side and head on the right side so that the foot of left leg is touching the right thigh of the left leg. And again come back. Breathe in, breathe out. Again right foot touching the left thigh. Try to make it like that way and feel the stretch in the thigh region. Again come back. So this is second variation of Markat Asana. Third variation, again hands in the T formation. Inhaling, lifting the right leg up 90 degree and slowly taking to the left side. And trying to make 90 degree of our legs, and you can even hold the thumb of the right foot and try to stretch. It will relax your back region. Again come back. Same way, lifting the left leg up and try to bring it towards the right side, and you can hold the big toe of your left foot and shoulder fully grounded. So this is the third step. Again, fourth variation is also very simple. Bend the right leg from the right knee and put the left palm on the right knee. Take the right hand beside the right shoulder and slowly with the help of left palm press the right knee towards the left side, shoulder grounded. Press it more and more. Bring it close to the left side as much as possible. Again you will feel a nice stretch and relaxation in your lower back. Again come back. Now same way other side we will do. Bend the left leg from the left knee. Left hand in the shoulder leg. With the help of right palm, press the left